Well, I can tell you, and maybe you won't see it in this video, but that is one clean EP3. I don't think I've seen one that clean for a very long time. And I tell you what, I've found one small defect on it. I'm not going to point it out, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And it's had a bit of work today. Richard's fitted an inlet manifold and some bigger injectors. And now we're going to map her up. So standard power run or something like that, and we'll get cracking.
What day?
Rich, what do you know?
Well, it's Wednesday, and we've crossed the middle of yet another week, and
It's pissing it down.
it's pissing it down, and the spray booth people are still here.
We're trying to stay confident and positive for you guys, but it's sucking off. It's draining my soul.
I must admit, it's getting me down a little bit. I've got to be honest.
You're a bit sweary this week.
Yeah, I'm a bit mardy about
Sweary,
it. Full stop this week. I think it's, we always try and make sure we stick to our deadlines. Like last night, we were here late because we're a little bit behind with what we need to get done in here. And make sure that all our stuff is.
I've just realised that there'll be people watching these videos back in a year's time where I don't have a clue what we're talking about.
Yeah, that doesn't matter though.
If you watch these videos in sequence, because we upload regularly, you'll see that we're in the middle of a project.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a project, but we're into the last time we've seen the spray booth people was last Monday, so we're now a week and 3 days in. From previously seeing, obviously we've got deadlines. We want to get other stuff in. We've got other contracts we want to get in. Unfortunately, they are massively holding us up at the moment. It's one of those where you're ringing them and they're telling you I'll be there tomorrow morning.
Be there tomorrow, mate.
Be there tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow morning comes and no one turns up. You know, so at the minute we're just getting a load of blatant lies, shall we say, and that's something I can't stand in business, that is. It's like, if you tell someone the truth, they can deal with it.
Even if they hate it?
Yeah, if he turned around and said, look man, I'm that busy this week, I ain't getting back there, I'll be there on Monday, but I'm bringing everyone with me to get it done, and yours is, we're going to be there till it's done, then I wouldn't like it, but I'd know what was going on, and what I'm actually getting is just a load of bullshit. So I'm not happy about that.
But we are happy about this absolutely beautiful Cosmic Grey EP3. Is this Premier Edition?
It certainly looks that way.
It's very, very nice. And we see a lot of EP3s, as you've seen on the YouTube channel. And this is a particularly clean one.
Yeah, lovely.
Absolutely lovely, ain't it?
Yeah, you don't get to see many this clean, to be fair. We fit the Skunk 2 Pro Series inlet manifold this morning. Got a mandate to fit a throttle body, but unfortunately he hasn't got the bigger silicon to go with the induction kit, so we couldn't fit that. And the Skunk 2 Pro Series was second hand, so we had to make some shims up for the fuel rail and obviously put some bolts in, which we didn't have.
Bigger injectors? Bigger injectors,
we fitted the RDX 440s, so they went in, and then we've mapped accordingly. I think we've done all right with this car today. I think we finished on 235.
Yeah.
Maybe almost 236 if Dan wants to call it that, but we'll see how he gets on when he looks at the graph.
Yeah.
Shall we have a look at that graph?
Come on, mate.
Come on.
Let's have a look at the graph, mate.
Richard was mistaken. It's actually 235 that we finished on. Look at the difference in the graph there. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power across the rev range. A massive dollar per power in that mid-range there. And revving it out a little bit. Load Vtec a little bit. And we finish on, Richard, I'm calling it 235.
Yeah.
190 at the wheels.
For the Ford owners, that's 300 brake.
It's a good joke, that, ain't
Yeah.
it? For the Ford owners, that's 300 brake. But yeah, look at it. Beautiful, isn't it? It's made me smile on a miserable day, this car. So there we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.